Today I'm going to show you why this is my favorite snow brush. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here. Car is covered with snow. It's continuing to come down pretty good. And one of the things that I picked up on the off season was this snow brush. It's got a big broom on this end here. It's got a telescoping arm, nice cushioned foam grips right there, as well as a scraper on this end. So I really like that. Now, we haven't had a lot of ice, so I don't think I need the scraper per se, but that's kind of what it's good for, getting off that ice that's stuck to your glass. But as you can see, right now I just have snow stuck on it. But what's really cool about this is the extendability of this little bad boy, like this. And if you have an SUV, minivan, you often drive with those snow caps on the top because you just can't get that off. But what this does is it makes it so easy to get the snow off. Push, pull. Look at that. My hand isn't anywhere near the snow. I don't even have gloves on, so I don't have to worry about that. But, man, I can just clear off all the snow. All this real-time headlights. And it has a little rubber edge, too. So if you have some stuff that's really sticky up there, you can use that to kind of squeegee it off, which is pretty cool. Just like that, man. Doesn't get any easier than that. And then you can pack this back up, throw it in the back seat, your trunk, whatever. So if you're looking for a really good snow brush, darn near broom to get the snow off the top of your car, pick this up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than